Hi everyone, this is my video submission for real-time rendering assignment 3. And this task was to implement some mapping technologies for an object. Here, I implemented 3 mapping methods: diffuse mapping, normal mapping, and parallel mapping. And I also added a light source to show the mapping details. You can use W, S, A, and D keys to change the position of the light source. In the first scene, you can see that this is flat with brick wall texture. The default mapping method is diffuse mapping. This is the most common mapping technology, and the texture map is created using the image that represents the diffuse reflection of light from the surface. The next one is normal mapping. Different from the diffuse mapping, normal mapping makes details more realistic by modifying the direction of the texture normals. And the last one is parallel mapping. I have read some papers when I tried to implement this task, and I found that there is a mapping technique better than normal mapping, because it takes into account the depth information of the texture instead of just changing the direction of the model. It can be seen that the gaps between the bricks are deeper and more realistic than the normal mapping. To compare the differences between these 3 techniques, I also use different texture. We can switch this texture by press 7 and 8 or 9 keys. You can see that. And just like this, when I switch between 3 different mapping methods, you can see it more clearly. In addition, I also change the model. For example, if I press T key, it will change the default model. And the model will be auto-rotated when you press the M keys. We know that the different mapping methods actually achieve details through lighting. So here I press C keys to let the camera rotate around the model. And you can see that when the back of the model is not illuminated, its texture effects actually same as the diffuse mapping. You can zoom the model using the mouse wheel to better see the details. Finally, you can press the R key to reset all parameters you have previously set. Yeah, this is all my submission. Thank you for watching.